Just briefly, this workshop is the culmination of a almost year-long process that we've been doing. This is a partnership between King's College, London, Safety Pin in Delhi, and Jagori, and Shrishti School of Art, which is also part of it, where we will be taking it to Bangalore after this. So the idea of this is a Arts and Human Rights Commission project from the UK. And the idea was to take to use art and other sort of forms of representation to look at the city, to look at gendering the city, to look at discourses around the smart city, and kind of come up with different sets of products, which is not just a report, which is what we normally end up doing, but somehow making it a little more sort of alive and available for people to see. And we will be sharing with you through the day what else we'll be doing. But one of the exciting things that I'd like to share right up front is that one of the outcomes of this project is actually an exhibition which will be held, which will be at the Mandi House metro station through the month of January. So we will be talking about that also. So so the project, as I said, has these partners, and what we did was we worked in one low-income settlement in Delhi with the partnership of Jagori. We worked with a number of young women there who will be joining us for this workshop. And we've done a lot of exciting things that many of us actually ourselves haven't done before, which we will share with you, unfold with you as the day progresses. But just to give you an idea, it includes things like music and other stuff. So it's actually been quite a fun and exciting project for all of us to move beyond just, the sort of discursive kind of domain of putting it out there as a paper or as a this thing, which will also be done. So really, without further ado, I'm going to invite the other speakers onto the stage who will be presenting. So the first panel will be actually presenting what this project has done in this past year. And as we go through the day, we will then go to other panels which will talk about what we will be doing, how do you use art and other medium for representation.